Alright, y'all, it is your boy CJ back like a butt crack. Another requested reaction video. Just a few hours ago or days ago, one of my subscribers had requested I react to his rapper named JL official music video called Downtown. So yeah, never listened to the song before, so this is my first time listening to it and reacting to it. If this video gained a lot of views, can everybody who watches the video like and subscribe? Mostly subscribe, because I know I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers and start getting paid for this YouTube stuff, because this is my dream. So yeah, man, let's see if JL really came with the Downtown by Billy Cop Productions. Okay, a drone scene going over a lake. Okay, he skateboard. I always wanted to learn how to skateboard. Shit look fun. What happened? Okay, so this is a song about a female breaking his heart. Okay, he the supplier, you the buyer. Okay. Stop selling that stuff before you get locked up. He damn near lyrical. Like he's trying to be lyrical, but at the same time he's not.
Everybody and they mama smoking, whether it's weed, blunts or bones, saying I fell off, whole time I'm getting on. Surprise my fans every time, this time a better song, with a flow that sound familiar, I always get that delivered, my poetry is vivid, these bars are clear image. It's a fact that I love her, if only she would listen, really hear me out, envision all that distance made us different, it's all systematic.
Where is he walking? It's a brick wall right there.
I cause some static that made me less of a man, and it's good that I'm realizing, but I gotta put that in effect. Some cats will never change, all them cats I can't respect. Fast forward years later, same shit, different day, you day to day. I have a plan, we don't compare, you understand? I'm making plays, yo, you gotta be aggressive. Get it on my own, I was out there finessing. Niggas
out here finessing, okay. Song hard, it's like a laid back type of chill song. He was trying to girl smoking weed.
Some people out here need a life to get set it backwards, cause I'm a bastard. When nice wordplay, catch them lacking, then we put them on that curb plate. Don't lose your noggin, instead use your knowledge. I would say you was addicted, but this path was predicted. It was sad, but forget it.
Okay, that was boring.
Doesn't mean you fill that cup. We could talk, we could rap, doesn't matter, it's whatever. But bet I'ma win, cause my flow is just better. They gon' bow to my feet.
He mess around, get signed to Dreamfield. You know what J. Cole was. That nigga so nice, he'll sign you if you not good. And say he's being humble. Lighting wood, boy. Alright, y'all. It is your boy CJ. Back like a buck. Wow, I didn't mean to say that. Alright, y'all. That is all for today's reaction video. Can you leave a like, subscribe, and comment? Mostly subscribe, because I know I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers before December 28th. So yeah, press that like button. Press that subscribe button. And leave a comment for more reactions. Leave a comment on your opinion. Pop, give me some 2K.
Hermes Link, Ice Blue Mink, tat on my wrist like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone, wait for the kicker, tat on my my wrist like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone.